My name's Nadia. I am a student at Herts and a single mum. Life was already a balancing act between studies, parenting, and making ends meet. But then we were robbed. Our home was broken into. They took so much. My laptop, my kids' clothes, even shoes. And with that, my complete sense of security was gone. I felt helpless, completely drained with how I was going to resolve things. I didn't know how I was going to replace everything or keep up with uni work. I didn't have a laptop, so I had to pay more for trips to campus to use the laptops in the library, and being away from the home more meant more childcare costs. I was borrowing money from family, friends, just to put petrol in the car or to buy lunch. I couldn't even drive my kids to see their grandparents at weekends so that I could study because of the extra petrol cost. I skipped meals at uni. I was scared I'd have to drop out altogether, throwing away everything I'd worked so hard for. I applied for the financial assistance fund. I really wasn't sure what would happen. But when I got the message to say I would be eligible to receive support, I just sat and cried with relief. With that support, I replaced the stolen items, bought a new laptop, topped up the kids' school lunch accounts, and even visited family again. We could feel normal again. I could focus on studying and being their mum. To the people who donate, you didn't just help a student, you helped a whole family.